Hello and welcome back everybody. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will be guiding you through the process of removing Yahoo search from Google Chrome, and we'll cover various methods ensuring that you find the one that works best for you. So what you can do is, first of all, what you can do is you can head over to Chrome. For that, open up Google Chrome and go to settings. Go access three dot in the top right corner and access the settings from the given menu and open it up on your screen. Once you are here, go ahead and find the option for search engine from your left-hand sidebar and open it up. And from here, just go ahead and select the option for Google here. You can click on change. And if Google is not selected, you can select Google as your search engine and set it as default. After that, you can select this option for manage search engines and its search sites. Just go ahead and click on it. And you can just go ahead and remove the unnecessary search engines. For example, this binge, click three dot and look out for the delete option. Confirm it, confirm delete, and that way you can delete the default like unnecessary. For example, you can go ahead and follow the same process for Yahoo, Yandex, or any other search engine available. Once you do so, you can go to the extensions tab here, open it up, and here if there's any kind of unnecessary extensions available, you can click on remove option and just go ahead and confirm that you would like to remove, and that way you can just go ahead and remove it. And that is also one of the way possible to go ahead and set Google only as a default search engine. Once you do so, you can just go ahead and close this up, and what you can do is you can basically go to the search here and type in uninstall, and you can basically look out for install app or add or remove programs and open it up within your system settings. And once you are here, you can just go ahead and remove the unnecessary files and folders that are available here. If there's any kind of unnecessary applications that you do not want, you can just go ahead and click on the three dot right beside it and click on uninstall. Or if not this method, what you can do is hit Windows plus R, and here just go ahead and type in appwiz.cpl and hit OK. And this opens up. From here also you can look out for the application that you do not want. After that, I click on it and look out for install option and go ahead and confirm it and remove the unnecessary files or the application from your particular device. Also, sometimes it may be virus and threat protection, so you can go to this here and look out for this Windows virus and threat protection, and just go ahead and look out for virus and threat protection and go ahead and do a quick scan, and that should probably go ahead and remove any kind of threats and detect it if there is any that is causing that kind of issue on your PC. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up this method. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.